Aniket here, and today I've planned an amazing adventure with my super amazing friends Cheryl, aka Rose, Naman, the boy, and of course Jonathan, the cameraman. So today we will be treasure hunting and cleaning the beach as it's a pet project of ours. That being said, let's get this adventure started. Alright guys, so today I and my team will be starting all the way from the left, sweeping in search of treasure and cleaning off the beach all the way to the right, and hope we find some cool stuff.
But the truth is, we are actually looking for a mermaid for Aniket.
I hope she's a beautiful one. Do a quick review of the things I found today. This is a sea glass, which is easily the best find of the day, and as you can see is absolutely beautiful. It takes about 7 to 8 years for it to be formed, so the best find of the day prize easily goes to the sea glass. And this is the coin which we found. Second best is obviously these glasses. So cool, although the lens is spoiled because of the sea water, but it's amazing. Look at this. Whew. Super amazing and cool. Then we have the phone. Although it's completely gone, I don't think it will be working anymore because there's water inside. But the good thing is that we found it as a trophy, as a remembrance. The last thing of the day, the pet project we had started recently, is all of the plastics which we have found while cleaning the ocean. The earth is what we all have in common. So let's get together and change. So if you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar upcoming adventures.